Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if there's like no audio found on CapCut PC. Go to menu, go to settings, go to the performance tab and go to sound output and make sure you selected the correct sound output. Then press save, and also if you're like voice recording, make sure you selected the correct microphone for it as well. If you can not hear it still, go to just like your Windows volume mixer here and make sure CapCut is at 100%. But sometimes it's a little bit too loud for me, so I just leave it on 50. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.